Good evening, everyone. This session is about to rebate management in manufacturing cloud, and this could be a very basic session uh, to understand what exactly the rebate management is, and there will be a more upcoming sessions to deep dive on the rebate management. So let's see what we have today in our agenda. So first we will see what is the rebate management. Then we will go to the benefits of the rebate management, and we will have a small demo which will showcase the what exactly the records can be configured in SFDC system. So let's start. So what exactly the rebate management is? So rebate management is a tool that introduced by Salesforce in manufacturing cloud, which allows the manufacturers to track their incentives offered by the customers based on the purchase behavior. So it helps the manufacturing team to increase the revenue and improve the customer loyalty. So to just take an example of this, as we know that we have a car manufacturing in our worldwide area. If we take the example of Maruti Suzuki car manufacturing, so as a manager, Maruti Suzuki manufacture the cars which different modules, and they also manufacture parts of the cars like seat belts and all other things. So they have their partners which known as distributors in every area to sell the cars. So as a manufacturer company, uh, to improve the revenue and the customer loyalty, they can introduce a rebate program. So the partners can enroll the program and get the benefits of that rebate program. So let's see what are the benefits we get when we initiate a rebate management in our system. So the very first point is it increase the revenue. So as we know that once we enable the rebate program in our system, then partners will enroll, and the rebate program can be based on the revenue or the quantity base. So just to take an example, if as a manufacturing company, if we initiate a rebate program based on the quantity, so if you purchase XYZ model of minimum 50 quantities, then you will get incentives. Based on that, the manufacturing companies gets more partner uh, enrollment in their rebate program, and they can definitely increase the revenue of their company. It improves, sorry to say that, it improves the customer loyalty. Yeah, as we said that it helps the manufacturer to improve the customer loyalty by offering the incentives. So partner gets more incentives on the rebate management programs which they enrolls. This we have two benefits which I have mentioned over here, but we have a different more benefits which we will take into the next session. So let's go to the SFDC system and let's see how the rebate management program looks like. So yeah, so and as a manufacturer, uh, any questions do we have? Okay, I take as a no. Yeah, so in SFDC, manufacturing cloud offers a different set of object to set the rebate management in system. So we have a couple of objects over here for rebate management. So the data model, we will look into it in the different session because it's a huge and it's tricky to understand. So we will take that one by one in different sessions. So for now, we will see how the data looks like if I initiate any rebate program in our system. So I have initiated one rebate program called Annual Growth Program year 24, and we get the details in such format that we can set the name of our rebate program, the status of rebate program, and start date and end date of the rebate program. So there can be a multiple type of programs based on your start date and end date. So it can be a short time period rebate program, or it can be a long time period rebate program. So as of now, we have initiated 1 year time stem rebate program over here, and it shows the type of the rebate program. It can be a standard or ship and debit. Going to the next session, over here we can set the frequency which the partners or whoever has enrolled this rebate program, they can get the incentive based on this particular frequency. So over here we can set the frequency based on monthly, quarterly, biannually, annually. We have or you can set the program based on start or end date, or you can customize your period as well. For now, I have set up the frequency as a quarterly. As soon as we set the frequency, it generates the payout periods. So as we have mentioned the frequency as quarterly, so it automatically creates payout period records in based on the quarter. And in this particular quarter, if the partners can uh, will the rebate, then they will definitely get the incentives on the based on the transition grace date. Those transition grace date determine that when the incentives will pay to the partners. Coming to the members, so once we initiate the rebate program, then partners can enroll the program on their experience cloud site, or they can request the rebate programmer to add their name into the rebate program. Or here we have two options: either we can add one by one, or we can import the list of members who are able to, or who are available to part of this rebate program. Right now, I added one member called Omega Inc., who is a partner of the company, and they are they are available to take the advantage of this rebate program. So every rebate program will be tied up with a rebate type. Let's go to the type of rebate. So here we have defined the volume based rebate uh, type, and uh, it is tied up with the rebate program which we have created. Again, it shows the status of the rebate, and it provides you to add or include a product or exclude the products. So here, if you want the rebate program to be specific for your product, then you can mention the status as include product. If you don't want to uh, set the rebate program based on any product, then you can mark it as exclude product. Right now I have included the products, so this rebate program will be based on the product that the partner should be purchase, and then only they will get the incentives of that. In the calculation information, it shows the how the rebate program, or how the incentives will calculate. So it gives the multiple options over here. So as of now, I have set up as per transaction, but you will get the multiple options over here is as based on the aggregate base, or you can define as a custom and growth base. To go to the benefits information, uh, again here in the measure type, how you are going to measure the benefits of your partners. So it gives options. You can measure your partners benefit based on the amount per unit, based on the percentage of revenue, or fixed amount. You can keep one fixed amount, or you can m- go with custom implementation as well. Into the related section, as I mentioned that we have included one product. So this is the product. If as a partner, if we are uh, purchasing this particular product, then only you will get the incentives in this particular rebate program. So if I go to the benefits, uh, in the benefits we can define what type of product partner should purchase, and what minimum quantity should be purchased, then only they should get the incentives of this rebate program. So here I have mentioned minimum 15 quantities should be purchased for this competitor product, then only they will get the incentives. And you can mention the maximum range as well. And what will be the benefit they will get? So they will get the 5 percentage of their total purchase, and all this calculation will be happened through the DPE, which is new model in manufacturing cloud called data processing engine, will generate all the payouts and all the incentives automatically. That DP section we will cover in the next unit. Again, it's a calculation part and tricky to understand over there. So the in additional options, it gives what is the time period where the partners can buy, or partners can purchase the product and they will get the incentives. So I have mentioned the time period over here is the 1st of September to 31st of December. If they have purchased between these two date range, then they will get the incentives of their purchase order.